redox reactions, NAD+, and mitochondrial health, how electron balance influences vital cellular functions. Introduction. At the heart of your body's ability to move, think, and convert food into energy lies a continuous cycle of chemical reactions called redox reactions. These reactions involve the transfer of electrons between molecules, facilitating essential processes like energy production, DNA repair, and cellular communication. However, when this delicate balance is disrupted, either by oxidative stress or reductive stress, your cells and mitochondria suffer, leading to chronic disease and cellular dysfunction. Central to this process is NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a coenzyme that acts as an electron transporter, shuttling electrons across your cells to maintain cellular energy and metabolic balance. Maintaining optimal NAD+ levels and protecting mitochondrial health is key to preventing age-related decline and supporting long-term vitality. Understanding redox reactions, the exchange of life-giving electrons. Redox reactions, short for reduction-oxidation reactions, are fundamental to life. In simple terms, a reduction occurs when a molecule gains electrons and becomes more negatively charged, while an oxidation happens when a molecule loses electrons, increasing its positive charge. These reactions always occur in pairs. When one molecule donates electrons, another molecule receives them. Imagine passing a negatively charged water balloon from one person to another. One person becomes electron-rich when reduced, while the other becomes electron-poor, oxidized. Key functions of redox reactions in the body: energy production. Redox reactions within the mitochondria drive oxidative phosphorylation, the process by which your body generates ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of cells. Cellular detoxification. Redox reactions neutralize harmful free radicals and toxins, protecting cells from oxidative damage. DNA repair and maintenance. Proper electron flow ensures the integrity of DNA repair mechanisms, preventing mutations and maintaining genomic stability. When redox reactions function smoothly, cells operate efficiently. However, an imbalance, either too many electrons or insufficient electron transfer, leads to oxidative stress or reductive stress, both of which damage cells and accelerate aging. Oxidative stress versus reductive stress, when balance is lost. Oxidative stress occurs when an excess of free radicals overwhelms the body's antioxidant defenses, causing damage to lipids, proteins, and DNA. This imbalance leads to inflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction, and chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer. Reductive stress, on the other hand, is a lesser-known but equally damaging condition. It occurs when the electron transport system becomes overloaded, leading to the accumulation of electron carriers such as NADH. Instead of efficiently transferring electrons, these molecules become stuck, disrupting cellular respiration and reducing NAD+ levels. What causes reductive stress? Mitochondrial damage. Toxins such as seed oils, microplastics, and electromagnetic fields, EMFs, impair mitochondrial function, creating an environment where NADH accumulates. Excessive NADH levels. When the balance of NAD plus NADH shifts, reductive stress sets in, leading to impaired energy production and cellular dysfunction. Chronic inflammation. Prolonged inflammation disrupts redox balance, promoting an over-reduction of key molecules. NAD plus, the essential electron carrier that powers your cells. NAD plus plays a central role in maintaining cellular energy, enabling mitochondria to generate ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. As an electron carrier, NAD plus cycles between its oxidized form NAD plus and its reduced form NADH, transferring electrons to fuel metabolic processes. Key roles of NAD plus: energy production. NAD plus is essential for converting nutrients into ATP, powering cellular function. DNA repair. NAD plus supports enzymes like PARPS, poly-ADP ribose polymerases that repair DNA damage and prevent mutations. Cellular signaling. NAD+ regulates cellular communication and signaling pathways that influence inflammation, immunity, and longevity. However, NAD+ levels naturally decline with age, leading to decreased mitochondrial efficiency, increased oxidative stress, and a heightened risk of chronic disease. Mitochondrial damage and NAD+ depletion, the root of chronic disease. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, are particularly vulnerable to damage from environmental toxins, poor diet, and chronic stress. When mitochondria become dysfunctional, they fail to produce adequate ATP, leading to cellular fatigue and reduced metabolic efficiency. How mitochondrial damage depletes NAD plus reduced NAD plus recycling. Damaged mitochondria become inefficient at converting NADH back to NAD+, leading to an imbalance that promotes reductive stress. Impaired ATP production. Mitochondrial dysfunction reduces ATP generation, contributing to fatigue and metabolic disorders. Increased oxidative stress. Damaged mitochondria release more reactive oxygen species, ROS, further depleting NAD+, and accelerating cellular aging. Boosting NAD+ naturally, restoring cellular energy without expensive supplements. While NAD+ boosting supplements like nicotinamide riboside NR and nicotinamide mononucleotide NMN have gained popularity, there are more affordable and effective ways to maintain healthy NAD+ levels. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, supplementation. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, serves as a direct precursor to NAD+. Studies show that moderate niacinamide supplementation effectively boosts NAD+ levels, supports mitochondrial health, and enhances cellular energy production. Intermittent fasting and caloric restriction. Fasting activates pathways that increase NAD+ production and promote mitochondrial biogenesis. Time-restricted eating and intermittent fasting boost NAD+ by stimulating SIRT1, an enzyme that regulates cellular repair and metabolism. Avoiding mitochondrial toxins, reducing exposure to toxins that damage mitochondria, such as seed oils. High in linoleic acid, seed oils promote oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction. Microplastics. These endocrine-disrupting chemicals accumulate in tissues, impairing cellular energy balance. EMFs, electromagnetic fields. Prolonged exposure to EMFs can interfere with mitochondrial signaling and NAD+ metabolism. Regular exercise and breathwork. Moderate physical activity stimulates NAD+ production and enhances mitochondrial efficiency. Breath-holding techniques, such as those used in hypoxic training, promote cellular adaptation and improve redox balance. Sauna therapy and heat stress. Heat exposure through sauna therapy induces hormesis, a mild stress that enhances mitochondrial function, boosts NAD+ levels, and promotes longevity. The future of NAD+ and redox research, new frontiers in longevity science. As research on NAD+ and redox balance advances, scientists are uncovering promising new approaches to enhance mitochondrial health and combat age-related decline. Emerging therapies include gene therapies targeting NAD+ metabolism. Modulating genes involved in NAD+ synthesis and recycling offers exciting potential for extending lifespan and delaying chronic disease. SIRT1 activators. Enhancing the activity of SIRT1, a key NAD+ dependent enzyme, may promote cellular repair and longevity. Mitochondrial biogenesis. Stimulators. Drugs and lifestyle interventions that increase mitochondrial biogenesis may restore cellular energy balance and delay the onset of age-related conditions. Conclusion. Redox reactions, NAD+ and mitochondrial function lie at the core of your body's energy production and overall health. By maintaining a balance between oxidation and reduction, supporting mitochondrial efficiency, and boosting NAD+ levels through natural methods, you can protect against cellular dysfunction and chronic disease. Incorporating lifestyle changes such as niacinamide supplementation, intermittent fasting, and minimizing exposure to mitochondrial toxins provides a cost-effective and sustainable approach to preserving cellular energy and promoting longevity. As cutting-edge research continues to unlock the secrets of NAD+ and redox balance, the future holds exciting possibilities for enhancing health and extending lifespan.